Yeah, I got that for $35 at the Goodwill. Oh my God, those were gunshots. What the fuck? Fail. What a fucking fail. Trying to be cute. And I'm in the bed that I told. Working hard when you ain't having no. Bitch, I'm a man. We know advance. Give my nigga a chance. I see what he gon' do. Get it better than best. So today I'm going to have for lunch a salad. This is just baby spinach and arugula. And I'm gonna put the salad topper. It's protein packed. It just has some edamame, cranberries, cashews, sunflower seeds. Y'all can read. I'm also adding some strawberries in there. I don't know what it is about Aldi strawberries. I don't even know if it's the brand, but it seems like every strawberry that I get from Aldi just tastes extremely sweet and just yummy. And I'm going to try this protein shake. I'll let y'all know how it tastes. I've never really had a protein shake before, so we'll see. I didn't work out today because my arm was still hurting, but this is my left arm, the arm that was hurting. And yesterday I couldn't even hold anything in it, barely. I couldn't even put my arm up. So I'm healing pretty fast, praise God. But I think I'll be good. I think I'll be good to go tomorrow. I may just do like some cardio and no weights because my arm isn't 100%, but it's a hell of a lot better than the past 3 days. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, time to eat. Hi, good morning. I just did a workout. I'm really, like I said, I'm gonna do better with showing you guys the workout, but I did like a cardio, low impact. My arm, look at this. I can raise my arm. As far as like rotating it all the way, I can kind of do that. So I would say I'm like 95% good. So thank God for that. I didn't need to go to no doctor. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix me some breakfast and get my day going. This is a protein wrap. I got this from Aldi. It's not my favorite as far as taste goes, so I don't really know if I would get this again. But the protein is high. It's good and it's high in fiber too. So here is the wrap. I have some lettuce on top, the bacon. Under there is the egg peeking out, and then the cheese. Listen, I am not an aesthetic chef, so hush your mouth, but it's not pretty, but it's pretty damn good. Also, I'm gonna add some of this Tabasco sauce. I love this so much. I put it like on everything, but yeah, I'm gonna add some of this on there and have my protein shake, and that's my breakfast. You know Applebee's got that all you can eat right now for $14.99. Listen. Cheat mode activated. The ribs and the shrimp, why y'all gotta do that? I know I'm focusing on my health, but right now this is emotional health and it's gonna make me feel so good. Yeah, it is what it is. I'm not doing this all the time. It's just a one-time thing, but we might have to make a little. Let me stop. Hi guys, good morning. So I just came in from dropping my son off to school, and for breakfast I have this egg. It's 2 eggs with spinach and onion powder, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, And I think that's it. Black pepper, salt, whatever. Spinach, yeah. And then I am gonna actually have 2 pancakes. I showed you guys these when I was doing my little run to Aldi. They're 3 pancakes are 250 calories and a cup of coffee. I worked out, got up. I don't know who I am, but I'm loving it. What time was it? 5:45 this morning. Bust that workout out real quick, you know what I'm saying? I'm not doing a weigh-in. I think the last time I did a weigh-in in my last video was on the 25th. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a weigh-in right now, but yeah. I haven't stepped on that scale since I saw the 229. So hopefully I didn't gain, but it is that monthly time. So I might be a little overweight. I don't know, but just wanted to document and show you guys what I'm eating for breakfast. And yeah, see y'all. So it is lunchtime. I mean, it's actually like 2:31, but I'm eating my lunch now. And it's basically a charcuterie with no charcuterie board, but it's okay. Here I have some turkey, some strawberries, blackberries, red pepper hummus, and some chips, multi-grain chips, and some cheddar cheese. It ain't a lot, it's not glamorous, but guess what? It's gonna make me look glamorous. Basically, I wanted to make a stir fry here. I didn't have any broccoli. I thought I did, but I didn't. So I just used what I had. Struggle meal, I know. You know how Walmart has like the bag with the onions, the bell pepper, and the celery? That's what I basically used here, and some shrimp and some Panda Express teriyaki glaze sauce mixed with some sweet chili sauce that I had. It was actually pretty good, but I just wish I had like an actual stir fry mix bag, you know, with the baby corn and the water chestnuts and the broccoli and whatnot. But it's cool. This was delicious, so yeah, that's what I made.
Our quinoa, sweet potatoes, some chicken, and of course some greens. These are some braised mustard and turnip greens.
I don't even know what I should eat for dinner. Found it. That's exactly what I'm gonna have, but I'm gonna make it in my own way. I'm gonna do chicken, quinoa. I found some Brussels sprouts yesterday when I was looking for the broccoli that I never had. I don't have any sweet potatoes, so I'm just gonna do regular potatoes with it. So I think we're gonna have a good dinner. Shout out. Can we talk about my teeth? Do you see that? The teeth. My tooth is coming back. She's looking good. This is what I'm doing in my spare time while things are kind of slow for me on the job. I am burning up. Woo! I took some L-carnitine. I took a pill, and I feel like, I mean, I'm too young to have hot flashes, but legitimately, I feel like I'm sweating and I'm not really like doing anything. This was the bookshelf that came with the house, so I'm going to paint the bookshelf the blue color. And then I have this is contact paper, and I'm gonna do that. And then oh, no, I'm lying. This is going to be orange. As you can see, Clemson is the team, so that is the theme. I'm just gonna have like basically like pops of color throughout the room. I'm gonna have some bookshelves go up here, like on this, like he's gonna have a desk here, like to do homework and stuff like that. And then like on this side, and probably on this side too, I'm gonna get some bookshelves, some little bookshelves for his books, because he has like a ton of books. So I'm just going to continue on sticking these up on the ceiling. Anyway, bye. So I am done with the ceiling and the room. Well, not the room, clearly. The stars, putting them up. They are all finished. So now basically I'm just peeling the tape up off of the baseboards. So there is nothing more satisfying than peeling off tape off of a baseboard. Like just peeling off painter's tape. It's so satisfying. I am legitimately proud of myself. Like I painted this entire room by myself. Y'all. But I even put his zodiac sign like right over here. Sorry. It's like right area. So he's a Taurus. Shout out to the Tauruses. But yeah, anywho, that dresser drawer right there, I got that from the Goodwill. And it was like $35. Yeah, I got that for $35 at the Goodwill. Oh my God, those were gunshots. What the fuck? So, as I mentioned, I actually did make it. I just seasoned up some chicken with my usual, and then I just put some barbecue sauce on it as it was cooking. So, yeah, there's that. Got some quinoa, and then I have some baked potato and Brussels sprouts here. Good morning, guys. This morning I got up at like 5. No, I think I got up like at 6. Yeah, I got up at 6. I got up at 5:30. I had to pee, and I was like, oh, I want to go back to sleep. So I tried to lay down. Child, God said, girl, get your ass up. And I worked out. I'm just gonna weigh myself. And I already know it ain't gonna be hitting on nothing because, like I told you, I'm on my cycle. Let's see where we are at. Ooh. Yesterday, remember those gunshots that I was hearing? I still don't even know what's going on with that. But it interrupted me. So all I was saying was, this I got from the Goodwill, and it was like $35 or something like that. And it just had like some paint or something on it from the previous owner. It's funny because it kind of looks like the wall, but yeah, it just had some paint on it. So I'm just gonna rub it off. It can easily come off. Like you can see, you can like peel it. And then I have these markers, and I'm just gonna color it in and whatever. Because the front was actually like hella chipped up, but you can't even see. You can't even see. I think it was like right over here. It was like so chipped up. And these markers come in really handy. So I think these are always something good to have in your arsenal. Just in case, especially like if you have kids, you know, like they get dinged up and stuff. You can easily just touch things up with these. I'm gonna take a shower, eat something, and then I'm gonna rub this down and then paint it. And yeah. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. Some bootleg stuff. Oh, I'm trying to get the camera to basically focus on what I'm doing. All right, so I just have like some old sandpaper here, and like as y'all saw before, the surface was kind of like chipped up and kind of uneven, so I'm just basically using this just to kind of smooth it out. I mean, I have a sander, but it's not that serious or big of a job where I need to pull out the sander. So I'm basically just rubbing this thing down just so the surface can feel even and smooth to the touch, because I don't want bumpiness or, you know, when I paint it. Look at this color. What in the magenta? This just shows how long I've been sitting on this dang on project. Like, wait, what if it doesn't turn back orange? Oh my gosh. Okay, I see some orange in there. Child. Why isn't this thing rolling? Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm definitely gonna need some layers because this thing is dark. Let's just trust the process and see what happens. Do y'all see this? You see how uneven it is? Because it has that green peeking through. Ah, shit. I'll show y'all the final result eventually. Probably not today because it's going to need some time to dry and it's kind of late in the afternoon. So I'm going to put the second layer on tomorrow. So I just might go ahead and end the vlog here. I will do another weigh-in on Wednesday. I guess this can be like a Wednesday weigh-in. And hopefully by then it's much less than $229. Definitely not what we saw this morning, which was what, 231. I'm giving myself grace. But anyway, thank you guys for watching as always. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all the things. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.